traders. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. This is Mike Hamilton with Trade the Easy Way. I'm going to keep this very short and sweet tonight because I want to watch Murray beat the Argentinian, hopefully. This is the Nasdaq, and you can see here from February into May we had a really nice push higher here, and then this funnel broke here, and we started to see a distribution pattern here in April. Came down in May, went up into June, came down in July. Anyway, so we've had a really sweet move up here, and we're getting the same pattern here with a higher close on Friday when making new highs. So as long as that stays intact, if we can just bump along, come in contact with this channel and keep going, then we can, then the bulls are firmly in control. There is a bit of a spinning top on Friday, so a word of caution there, because that candle pattern happened here. So we spent about a week and a half doing nothing, and then finally broke out of that. So just watch out for this, but at the moment it's still holding pretty flat week. We are really the height of the summer now, and volumes are a lot lighter, so just be very, very cautious. Busy week. We've got Fed minutes on Wednesday, we've got UK inflation on Tuesday, UK jobs on Wednesday. So I think markets are potentially going to be quite quiet until we get at least Wednesday out of the way. And as far as the pound's concerned, let's look at the pound now. I'm going to look at the pound yen first. This is just not doing it. I have been too bullish on the pound in the past. When we had this big week up here, this big push, I thought these pullbacks would hold, but nope, they are just continuing to drift lower. So I'm watching out for 133 because inflation is before jobs. So if inflation gives us a push into 133 and jobs are weak, then this is going to be the point in which we may need to get short. Okay, so all I can do is just try and see what Monday gives us and then update you. Let's look at the euro. I think this euro is very bullish. We are sitting up here, an inverted hammer, sitting up here with the 20 and 50 about to cross and the 200 underneath us. So we have all the moving averages underneath us. So I think we'll at least attack this trend line, and whether or not we close above that or not is up for grabs. And FOMC on Wednesday is going to be key for that. Just notice how out of sync that is. Let me just move that. I do like my trend lines to be accurate. Okay, so that would suggest something around the 11250 mark. Who knows? This is I've seen some big moves after candle patterns like this. We held up really well. We have push here to 3. If we get a 4 and a 5, that could move quite well. Otherwise, if we start closing underneath Friday's low, then we are toast. Quick look at gold. Gold is hard to call. A big sweep up into data on Friday, then we sold off. We have a little bit. We have very much a triangle up here. So is that a bull flag, or is that about to just roll over and distribute? So we've had 1, 2, 3 touches of that trend line, and we close lower. But I've got a feeling that this area might hold. 1330 might hold, and we get another push above these levels here, and we go and test 1400. We've got to have US inflation this week as well, so that could be a good driver for that one. moving on to oil, and then we're finished. Oil has had a great week. The weekly chart is right up into the 50 EMA, so we are going to have to close above this level here before we go any further. I think a very bullish move would be a pullback to 44 and then to close above 46. So as far as chart patterns are concerned, there's the breakout, nice little funnel pattern, and so we are potentially going to get back up to 50 plus at that rate, but we just need a pullback to this level of support. Alright, so bullish markets this far. Just watch out for Monday. By the time we get to our desks, we'll have Japanese GDP. That'll be interesting. And so that's what I'm looking at, and I will just go over this on Monday Trades Round Table. With these markets being so light, I'm just not going to trade this first day of the week. I'm just going to let that get out of the way and see where we are. So we've got a trend line just coming across the top of that area there. That's something to watch out for. Alright, okay, hope that helps, and look forward to seeing you. Bye for now.